Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to install this stabilizer bar thingy for the Sur-Ron, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to test it out and see if you even need one of these things, because I've been riding this for 2 years now without any kind of stabilizer and I haven't had any problems at all. So we'll see if this really helps a lot or if it's just a waste of money. The first thing you're going to do is take one of these heat gun things and try to really heat this Loctite up so that it's possible to take off. Okay, I did that for about a minute, and now this is possible to unscrew. See, if you don't do that first, like I didn't do that to this one yet, and it's really hard to undo. Alright, so once that comes off, now you take this thing and you're going to shove it in. It's a really snug fit, so you kind of have to smash it in there. You might need to take a hammer and a piece of wood to smash that thing in there, if you have a composite one like this that's snug. Now all you got to do is put the right footrest back on. Now you just put the bolts back on. Finally got it installed. It's easier if you lay the bike down like this, then you can get more leverage on all the components. Now let's go test it and see if it's actually useful. Alright, let's test this thing out. Test these new foot pegs. Already I can feel that they are way stronger. It feels like I'm standing on solid metal. So let's hit this little jump. It feels like I'm landing on a metal brick in comparison to the old ones. Let's try this bigger jump. Yeah, my feet don't move at all. There it is, the jury's out. It's way more stable, noticeably stable. Very, very obvious when you have it on versus when you don't. Does that really matter? I don't know. I've been riding it 2 years without it and haven't had a problem. So I guess the moral of the story is if they're not too expensive, you may as well have it. It adds a little bit of rigidity to the bottom of your bike. But if you don't have one, don't sweat it. It really doesn't matter. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.